Hello everyone. Welcome to James Marketing Channel. In today's clip, I will guide everyone using MKT Care software. It's a software that helps us manage large numbers of Facebook accounts, and we can use it for. These Facebook accounts are automated. Go post, add friends, text with this software. Today I will guide people to use MKT Care software so that we can go auto posting on all the potential groups. The group that suit our business, so that we can reach customer-oriented. So when we do it by hand, normally manual, then we're going to this group, and we're going to post. Let's say we choose a group then. We posted the article, right? There's something here and select this image. To post there, for example. That's right, people. Instead of that, it takes time. We have to switch groups again to post. It takes a long time. We will use MKT Care software. It's the MKT software that helps us post automatically. Series 1000, 2000 groups. Use 100 of accounts go to post automatically for us. We're going to go into viral marketing. And we're in the part. Group post is like I have here. And as it is now, I'll set up some basic configurations. Here's an example. We have all the accounts. How many of these groups will we post? How many posts will each account post? Here I am for an account we can be. I'll give you a demo of 5 articles, and if we have the strong accounts, then we can post more. For example, as an account we posted 10 to 15 articles, and if we have 100 accounts, we can post 1000 to 1500 a day. And these distances here. This is the basic setup I have already set up, and it's very important that we choose the content. I have chosen to create a content like this. I have already entered this part into the software, and I just have to choose. This is the version of that content. You can see that version of the content here. That I posted this content and this photo. It's already in the software. When it's posted, it will look like this. Now I have chosen the content. Next, I need some of group UIDs. My group let me post there. In this section, we'll scan for IDs, groups according to our industry that we want to post there. I have also scanned this group. And how to scan it. People can refer to my other clips or text me directly. Yes, I have scanned it. And these groups are well informed about censor member or not. And I'll have the UIDs of these groups. And I put it here. Like I already pasted it. I will post more because I will post a lot. I put this UID here. We copy. And then we paste it here. Is this part. Press Ctrl S to save it. So we're going to be some more of this basic information. Select group album to post this. Do not post to the same group. Automatically joins the group when hasn't joined yet. And we have this image selection. I will add a photo and I will. Another option is to wait for the photo to upload. And after I post, I'll leave a comment. Please fill in your information. Make it easy for everyone to contact, or we can be. Write down the contact information. It's on that photo that we posted. And finally, I will just need is to choose the Facebook accounts. For example, we now have about 30 accounts. This is 30 by 5. I will post about 150 articles. I'm going to post 150 of these. Each of our accounts, 5 posts, 30 accounts. We have posted it. There are about 150 groups. And it's completely automatic for us, full automatic bulk posting. So now I'm going to start for people to see as automated posting software like. The clip is over. Bye everyone and see you all. Another clip. Everyone subscribe to my channel. Get the latest videos on the software. Do automated marketing on Facebook everyone.